Hello and welcome to this channel. I'm very happy that you have found your way here. If you've ever been looking for something that's unique and will never make you want to play, welcome to this tutorial series, because we're going to create an open-world game from scratch together and package it at the end, so you can either send it to your friends who will play it or publish it, whatever you want with it. On this channel, we will get the basics of an open-world game, such as the locomotion system, weapon system, where you will have a sword, bow and arrow, and much more to equip at the end. In addition, we will deal with the world in general, so that the world is interesting for the player to play and invites you on an adventure. In addition, we are dealing with AI, so it will attack us if we get too close to it, since they are our enemies that we will have to defeat with weapons. In the end, you will be able to distinguish whether the player is at a distance and you have to attack with ranged weapons, such as the bow, or in close combat with a sword. Furthermore, we deal with interactions, such as with a horse that we can get on and then ride, or boxes that we can open to get more arrows. You can customize everything as you want, so that you end up with your perfect open-world game. However, if you don't feel like reprogramming all this here, and probably for a few months or even years, then you can always download the latest version on Patreon, and you don't need to watch the episodes unless you want to. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to join the Discord server, where you can post these suggestions or problems in a specific tab. So if you don't want to miss how you create a great game together with me, then like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more news and episodes. Have a nice day!